Prime Minister Narendra Modi to inaugurate and lay foundation stones of projects worth over 2 lakh crores in Andhra Pradesh. First meeting of Joint Parliamentary Committee on One Nation One Election bills underway. Bharat poll and new criminal laws will help to catch fugitives, says Home Minister Amit Shah. India expresses condolences over earthquake in Tibet Autonomous Region. President Draupadi Murmu, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Union Minister for Rural Development, Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, to inaugurate the ICAR Research Complex Golden Jubilee along with the Farmers Expo 2025.